off and trotting. That's Rebel Soul going right out for the early lead. Up on the outside, Acadia AS. Into the turn, 3 and 4 wide on the outside. Can't You Spell. Around the turn, going to the first eighth. Can't You Spell on the outside takes the lead. Backing off is Acadia AS. Field around the turn, go on to the first quarter mark. Racing second. Race over to the quarter in 27 and 4. Can't You Spell and Mike Wilder lead the way. Racing second, DD's Comet racing third. That's Rebel Soul hung on the outside. KDAS fourth, racing fifth, the Sterling Diva. Into the turn 6, Rose Run Reanna racing seventh. Little Maccabee and trailing the field. Kick a lot. Field moving by the halfway point. 57 and 1, 29 and 2. Second panel. One to the backside they go. Can't You Spell by a length and a half. Racing second is DD's Comet. Trotting third, Rebel Soul down the backside with a rush on the outside. Here comes Rose Run Reanna. From fourth, now third, closing in on the leaders. On top, Can't You Spell. DD's Comet second. Rose Run Reanna now second on the outside and coming with him on the outside. Little Maccabee at the 3-quarter mark. 126 and 2, 29 and 1. On the outside, Rose Run Reanna sticks the nose in front. Fighting back on the inside. Can't You Spell. Little Maccabee on the outside third. Through the stretch, nose to nose, stride for stride, toe to the wire. Who's it gonna be? Rose Run Reanna. Can't You Spell. Little Maccabee. Sterling Diva. 1:55 and 2. Rose Run Reanna. Ryan Zent for Tim Twaddle. 9-5. Second choice in the 13th.
Yeah, they went big time for Can't You Spell, who raced well. You get the two favorites in inverted order here, 9-5 over 8-5 and 9-2. So the trifecta, a very formful one it was. Can't You Spell resist the charge of number 3, Rose Run Reanna, who went around the tiring Acadia AS, who was parked early. And Rose Run Reanna gets her second victory, this one in a time of 1:55 and 2. It's identical to the win last time for Rose Run Reanna. Here's the